Welcome to another Messify video. Today I will show you a new feature on Messify. It's the planning for campaigns. It's a really important feature. It's really easy to use. You need to go to Add Campaign, and after that you will see this window here. And if you fill out the basic informations and scroll down, you can plan campaigns. Really easy. The important thing is you need to check this, and then you can plan your campaign. For example, 49 20 23. And yes, that's a little bit maybe problematic for you because we have the our structure from the time zone from 16 o'clock. So this is 4 p.m. and this is 9 o'clock a.m. So here we will add another feature for the time zone. But yes, currently it's working to playing campaigns. And if I create a campaign, oh, I need to give a name here. Test planning and create. So now you will see this one, delivery pending, and you will see when it will arrive to your customers. Yes, it's a really cool feature. It's a really simple feature, but an important feature. Enjoy Messify if you want to send out WhatsApp messages. If you have any questions, you can write us an email on servers@messify.io. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.